Let me tell you something you might not want to hear. If you can't make a decision, you can't be a man. And if you can't be a man, she'll never respect you. I'm not talking about whether you want pineapple on your pizza or not. Although, if it takes you 45 minutes to decide that, we've got way bigger problems. I'm talking about real leadership, making the call, owning it, standing firm, even when it's uncomfortable. Because here's the truth. Women don't follow men who ask them. Well, babe, what do you think? Every 5 seconds. They follow men who know where they are going and can bring her along for the ride. I already hear the excuses, but I don't want to be controlling. Newsflash, being decisive is not controlling. Being decisive is clarity. It's the difference between a ship with a captain and a ship with 12 passengers all arguing about where to go. Guess which one gets eaten by pirates first? Yeah. So, why do most men hesitate? Because they're scared of being wrong? They want a guaranteed outcome before they make the call? Let me save you years of your life. Leadership is not about always being right. It's about taking responsibility when you are wrong and adjusting fast. If she doesn't like it, she'll voice your opinion. Make a new one, but lead the way. Don't hesitate. Do you know what happens when you hesitate in leadership? She steps in. She makes the decisions. And from that moment forward, she doesn't see you as the leader. She sees you as another dependent. And a woman will never be truly attracted to a man she has to mother. Let's be real here. If she has to tell you what to do, where to go, how to dress, when to call the plumber, she's not your partner anymore. She's your manager. And managers don't make out with their employees. They fire them. So let's break this down. How do you lead with authority in a way that earns respect? Stop asking for permission for everything. That's how. This doesn't mean you ignore her input. You don't do that. It means you listen, you process, then you decide. Don't outsource the decision making just because you are scared of her disagreeing. Have a vision. You can't lead anywhere if you have no destination. This applies to your relationship, your career, your finances, everything. If your plan for the future is just, I don't know, we'll see, congratulations. You've just told her you are hoping life magically works out. That's not leadership, that's laziness. Be willing to make the call with imperfect information. Most men wait until they know everything before deciding. By then, the moment's gone. The opportunity is dead. The best leaders make the decision when they have enough to act, and they course correct along the way. Be calm under pressure. If you freak out every time something goes wrong, you are not leading. You are panicking. A woman should be able to look at you in chaos and think, okay, he's got this. Not great. Now I have to calm him down too. Own the consequences. Leadership isn't about getting all the glory when it works and blaming her when it fails. You want respect? Stand there and say, that one's on me. Let's fix it. And here's something most guys miss. Being decisive doesn't mean you never compromise. It means you are the one steering the conversation toward resolution. She should feel like her voice matters, but also that you are the final filter. Think about every great leader in history. None of them became respected by saying, well, let's just wait and see what happens. No, they acted, they took risks, they made people believe. Now, I'm not saying you need to lead your relationship like a dictator. If you start walking around your house barking orders like some kind of boot camp sergeant, you're not going to earn respect. You're going to earn a night sleeping on the couch. What I am saying is stop living in indecision. Indecision is weakness. Weakness kills attraction. And once attraction dies, it's just a matter of time before she's out the door, mentally or physically. So start small. Next time you go out to eat and she says, "Where do you want to go?" Don't say, "I don't know. What do you want?" Say, "We're going to this place. You'll love it." Lead, decide, and do it without flinching. If she doesn't want to, she'll voice her input. And then you find something else. Because here's the thing, you can't fake leadership. It's not about pretending to be in control. It's about being in control of yourself, your direction, and your decisions. The men who lead will have a certain energy. They walk into a room and people feel it. Not because they are the loudest, but because they are the most certain. Certainty is attractive. Certainty is contagious. Certainty earns respect. So if you've been that indecisive guy, the one who needs 15 opinions before he chooses, it's time to kill that version of yourself. Nobody respects a man who can't decide. Start making the calls. Start owning the results. Start being the man she can trust to lead. And if you needed permission to start, this is it. Just go lead. Go try it out. It's not scary. Lead. If it's bad, make corrections, continue moving. And before we go any further, smash that like button so more guys can hear this and start leading like they were meant to. And by the way, if you want to lead in style while protecting your eyes from looking like you've been binge watching Netflix for 19 hours straight, check out Navi Eyewear. It's right now, you get 5 pairs for the price of 1 with free shipping and free replacement guarantee. Add all 5 to your cart and the discount applies automatically. The link's in the description. Now let's talk about how authority in your decisions will change every single part of your life, not just your relationship.